Cybersecurity is a major challenge for the whole world. Cyber attacks cost businesses $400 billion to $500 billion plus a year. According to the research of TechSky, banking and financial services sector has been the prime target for cyber criminals over the last 5 years, followed by IT and telecom, defense, and oil and gas sector. Here I would like to quote the two statements of Mr. Isaac Ben Israel, Chairman of Israeli Space Agency and National R&D Council. His first statement is about the working nature of cybersecurity industry, and that is, one of the problems with cybersecurity is that you don't have a model that you can copy. You have to invent everything from the beginning. His second statement is about a general thought on cybersecurity, and that is, experts have talked about it, but until people see something happening in real life, they don't take it seriously. I think in terms of practical experience of dealing with different security challenges, Israel is leading. Once Mr. Dudu Mimran, CTO of Cybersecurity Center at Ben Gurion University has said, the challenging environment Israel faces in the Middle East, in the physical world, has reflections on the cyber world too. Security is a subject that can be taught theoretically, but nothing is a substitute for real hands-on experience, and we have got a lots of it. Yes, that's true. This real hands-on experience has made Israel a global leader in cybersecurity. According to some recent stats, the global cybersecurity market is expected to reach $170 billion by 2020. The global managed security services market is projected to reach $35 billion by 2020, with a 15.8% of common annual growth rate over the next 5 years. The global enterprise governance risk and compliance market, GRC, is expected to reach $11.5 billion by 2019, and the IoT security market is expected to grow from $6.89 billion in 2015 to $29 billion by 2020. Israel is the second largest exporter of cyber products, and India's cybersecurity market at present worth $218 million. According to Mr. Daniel Carmon, Israel's ambassador to India, India and Israel have great potential to establish together a global presence in the field of cybersecurity through bilateral initiatives. I would say India and Israel's partnership has a bright future in this sector too, and Digital India and Startup India are great platforms for cybersecurity cooperation.